Well, hello there, I'm ready from your dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making cottage cheese pancakes. I added some blueberries to it, but you can also add some strawberries or blackberries or whatever you want. So, let's start. We start with the star of the show, cottage cheese. So put it into a bowl and add in 2 eggs. The texture isn't how I like it to be, so I blended it smooth with a hand mixer. Add in some vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon. I put in 1 spoon of sugar, but you can also use maple syrup or honey. Mix it together and don't forget a pinch of salt. This brings out all the good flavors. Now add the flour and also the baking powder. Mix this together until there are no lumps left. The blueberries were a bit too large, so I cut them in half with a knife that was way too big. Please don't use a samurai knife like I do. The batter is done, so we are ready to fry them. Put a bit of butter or oil in a frying pan and place 1 spoon of the batter into the pan. The pancakes will spread, so 1 spoon is more than enough. Fry until they are golden brown on both sides and set them aside. Repeat it for all the pancakes and add some extra toppings of your liking. Enjoy! And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.